times the derivative of this one, 5x raised to the fourth power plus 6x minus 1. That's all. Chain rule. Okay? You can make a picture or watch the video. Now, focus on how I solve those problems. And next,
Number 12.
12, also right. The right one. Almost the same as previous one, huh? So f prime t equals, rewrite this so the number t is mapped first by a polynomial function, then a power function. So minus 4 2t plus 1 decrease the exponent by 1 times the derivative of the inside one, 2. Good. Next,
The left. Left.
left, oh good, left.
Good.
Again, we have a composite function here. So we have to use the chain rule. F prime of 5 we find f prime x first. F prime x means b dx lowercase f of g of x. By chain rule, x is mapped first by this function g and then by f. We differentiate f first at this value times g prime of x. In order to find f prime 5, we let x be 5. G of 5 is minus 2. F prime minus 2 is 4. G prime of 5, 6. 24, right? By chain rule. OK， 现在要换最后一位了。左边右边 ，left or right？
Right.
Right. For this equation, if x is given, for example, x equals 0, then we have sine y equals 1 plus cosine y. So it becomes an equation of one unknown. Okay, 1. So if x is given, we can solve a y. X is given, we can solve a y, or some y's. Then regard y as a function of x, or a differentiable function of x. We differentiate this expression with respect to x. Here, x is the independent variable, y is a dependent variable. So x is mapped to x plus y or fx. Use chain rule. The derivative sign is cosine times. This derivative is 1 plus, we use y prime for simplicity. Chain rule. X is independent variable. The derivative cosine is minus sine. Minus sine y times y prime, because y equals f of x. Implicit differentiation. So the coefficient of y is cosine x plus 1 plus sine y. Minus sine x minus cosine x plus y. Therefore, y prime or dy dx or dy dx same y prime. Okay, next. 现在轮到谁了？哦，你了哈。
Right.
Right one. In fact, two problems almost the same. Find the linearization L of x of the function at the number a. So we have a function here and then number a here. By linearization means the tangent. The equation of the tangent of the curve of this function at x equals pi over 6. So let me remind you, Lx by definition is f of a plus x minus a, f prime of a. So we need to find the derivative because f is cosine 2x. This is a composite function. First, x is mapped to 2 times x, then cosine. The derivative of cosine is minus sine. Times the derivative of 2x is 2. Okay, so f of a is cosine 2 pi over 3. Cosine pi over 3 is this is pi over 3. Equivalently 6 degrees. This is cosine. This is sine pi over 3. Sine 2x, x equals a equals pi over 6. So 2a is pi over 3. Sine pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. Therefore, the linearization L of x equals f of a is 1/2 minus square root of 3 times x minus a. A is pi over 6. That's all. Cosine 1. Now y already regarded as a function of x. F is defined by this equation implicitly. Maybe a portion of this curve nearby xy. Y is a function of some f. We don't need to solve the expression of f. We just regard y as a function of f. That's enough. So here